Roofing can be tough at first, but nailing those basics right away will make you stand out and get you solid gigs fast. Alright, so first day on the job? Dress the part. Long-sleeved shirt, wide-brimmed hat, sturdy boots, and pants that cover your legs. Sun and safety matter. Always bring a change of clothes. Keep it in your car if you got one, or your backpack if not. Pack your own food because lunch breaks can be tight. Gloves are a must-have tool. You'll be handling demo work, cleaning up debris, and carrying heavy shingle bundles. Stay low-key, keep your head down, mouth shut, and definitely stay off your phone unless told otherwise. Show up early, like 15 minutes before the job starts. Being ready when the clock hits is huge. Once you get the hang of showing up on time and working hard, they'll want you back for more. After that, learn how to use basic tools. Starting with reading a tape measure, that skill is gold in roofing. One of the biggest roofing rookie mistakes is showing up late or not ready to work. Fix this by setting alarms and preparing your stuff the night before. Another common issue is not wearing proper gear. No one wants to see cuts or sunburns, so always gear up right. A third problem is using tools without knowing how they work, which slows down the crew. The fix here is simple. Practice measuring and handling tools at home or while on site when you can. Avoid these pitfalls and you'll build a solid rep fast. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners looking to find reliable local contractors without the headache of endless searching. For contractors, it's a great way to get noticed and score jobs from people actually needing help in their area.